Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our band. To do it, simply tap on the screen, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then swipe right on the screen to go to the last page, and here you should see this icon at the bottom, the one with the 3 dots on it, more options icon, tap on it, and you should see this menu now. Here we have the reboot icon right here at the top. Let's tap on it and then tap the check mark to confirm and restart our band. Now let's wait until the band is done rebooting. And now it's done, as you can see, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.